let's continue with the discussion. So yes, at first I want to tell you, don't worry, Chakrika. Okay, I got your issue from the team. Okay, I'm just coming to that point. Okay, so if you are
Yes.
having, suppose everyone, just focus over here, because for that question I'm going to give marks to everyone. Okay, this time, and from next time I'll make sure that whatever we have discussed in class, I must give that one. But I thought that you should apply a little bit logic over here, that if we are having suppose 1.25 bar, okay, suppose we are having, let's say, 10 by 3, that means 3.3 bar, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
if we are supposed to find, suppose we need to find 20 by 3 or maybe 40 by 3. Okay, can we write this 20 by 3? Just a moment. Can we write this 20 by 3 as 2 into 10 by 3? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That means we can write it as 2 into 3.3 bar, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, and
ma'am.
3.3 bar means what? 3.3333333333333. So whatever be the number of time we are having 3 till infinity, in each and every 3, this 3, like in each and every 3, this 2 will get multiplied and still will be getting 6, right? So if even if I am writing directly that this will be 6.6 bar, it is not incorrect, right? Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
3.3333333 till infinity, and we are multiplying it by 2. So 666666666666666, that pattern will be getting 6.6 bar we can write. Yes or no? Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, if we are supposed to find 40 by 3, we can write 4 into 10 by 3, right? And we can do in the same manner, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubt. Yes, Chakrika. Is it making sense now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we can do like this. No worries. Okay. I'll be giving marks to everyone this time. So yeah, let's move.
So do I need to do the question again and send it, or do I not need to?
Yeah. Better you should solve that one and you can send it.
Oh,
Okay.
oh,
So
okay, ma'am.
so that I
Yes, ma'am.
can check that now can you use the logic or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss how to write few rational number in between. Suppose we are having questions like this. In our first exercise, we are having write 6 rational number in between 1 and 2. Okay, like find 6 rational number in between 3 and 4. One thing you have learned in the previous class, that in between any two rational number, okay, there are infinitely many rational numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can write any 6. Tanisha's answer, Chakrika's answer, and Gauri's answer. Each one's answer can be different, and that is completely okay. Okay. If you will give me the answer, I just need to make sure that whatever you are telling me as a 6 rational number lying in between 3 and 4, is that actually lying between 3 and 4 or not? Okay. So since there are so many rational number in between 3 and 4, any 6 you can tell me. And previously you have learned the method also. Okay, previously in your previous class, you have learned a method of finding, just taking this two end point 3 plus 4 by 2, and that will give you a one of the rational number, exactly the mid one, right? Right? In your previous class in rational number chapter, have you learned this method?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this method will be really tedious. Actually, I just want to give brief of this method, okay, because you will encounter this method every now and then. This method is called finding the midpoint of any two number. Suppose I am drawing a number line. Okay, I am drawing a number line and I am writing 0 here, 1 here, and then 3 here. And I am telling you, let's find a midpoint. Okay, the middle number in between 1 and 3. Rule says that, okay, actually this rule, which is really simple, it says that just take the one of the end point, add it with another end point, and divide by 2. We are going to get 4 by 2 and we will be getting 2. Here mid number will be 2 and that is true, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 and 3 के बीच में 2 आता है, राइट? तो मैं जस्ट थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ दे रही हूँ, जो तुमने प्रीवियस मेथड पढ़ा था कि दोनों एंड पॉइंट को ऐड करे और डिवाइड करे 2 से। ओके, ये मेथड हमें कभी भी कहीं भी मिड पॉइंट फाइंड करना हो तो हम ये मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं। ओके, जो कि हम यूज करेंगे क्लास 10 में, 11 में, 12 में, हमेशा हम यूज करेंगे। तो मैं बस तुम्हें याद दिला रही थी इस मेथड के बारे में। यहाँ हम ये मेथड नहीं यूज करने वाले। ओके, यहाँ हम एक हमारे पास क्विकर मेथड है जो हमें द सी फर्स्ट लेट मी कंफर्म, यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Here we are having another method which will help us finding 6 rational number quickly. Okay, one thing you need to understand, if you are having a fraction 1 by 2 and if you are multiplying a number in the numerator, maybe 5, and the same number in the denominator, you are getting 5 by 10, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
ये जो 1 by 2
Yes,
था
ma'am.
हमारे पास और अभी जो हमें 5 by 10 मिला है, ये सेम फ्रैक्शन है, हाँ या ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ये दोनों सेम फ्रैक्शन है, इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन है। तो हमने अगर 1 by 2 को 5 by 10 भी लिख दिया कभी, तो ऐसा करके हमने कोई गलती नहीं की है, हम इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन ही लिख रहे हैं, राइट? तो
Yes,
यहाँ
ma'am.
पे हम इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन के कंसेप्ट को यूज करके 6 रैशनल नंबर बहुत इजीली लिख पाएंगे। चलो प्रोसीड करते हैं। हमें 3 and 4 के बीच के 6 रैशनल नंबर को लिखना है, ठीक है? तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, 3 हम we will be writing like this and 4 we will be writing like this. अब 6 रैशनल नंबर क्रिएट करने के लिए हमें एक इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन क्रिएट करना होगा। 3 को एक इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन हम क्रिएट करने की कोशिश करेंगे और 4 को भी। 3 का बेसिकली मतलब होता है 3/1, ओके, एंड 4 मीन्स 4/1। सो इन्हें हम इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे। ओके, 6 रैशनल नंबर हमें चाहिए, तो वी विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग 6 plus 1, that means at least 7 we will be multiplying. न्यूमरेटर और डेनोमिनेटर में एटलीस्ट हम 7 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। ओके, हम 8 भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, 9 भी, 10 भी, 11 by 12 भी, जो नंबर हमें मन करे हम मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, बट बेयर मिनिमम हम 7 का मल्टीप्लाई हमें करना होगा। ओके, तो ऐसा अगर हमने न्यूमरेटर में किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया और डेनोमिनेटर में भी सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो अभी अभी हमने ये देखा है कि हम फ्रैक्शन को चेंज नहीं कर रहे, राइट? अगर मैंने 3 के बदले में 21/7 लिखा तो एक ही बात है, यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके, और सिमिलरली हम 4 को भी चेंज करेंगे। हमें 6 रैशनल नंबर चाहिए, तो हम 6 plus 1 दैट मीन्स 7 से एटलीस्ट मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। या तो 7 से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, या फिर 8 से, या फिर 9 से, या फिर 10 से, या फिर 11, 12, हमें जिस भी हायर नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। हम बस ध्यान में रखेंगे कि हम न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं और डेनोमिनेटर में भी। ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, दोनों ही फ्रैक्शन के न्यूमरेटर एंड डेनोमिनेटर में भी। सो 4 इज गोइंग टू बी Just a second. Yeah. 4 is going to be, here I am going to write 4 into 7 by 1 into 7. Okay, 4 into 7 by 1 into 7. It will become 28 by 7. अब 3 के प्लेस पे हम 21/7 बोलेंगे, तो हमने कोई गलती नहीं की है। 4 के प्लेस पे अगर हमने 28/7 भी बोला तो हम कोई मिस्टेक नहीं कर रहे हैं। एट द एंड 28/7 रिड्यूस होके 4 ही बना रहे हैं। ओके, तो हम कोई मिस्टेक नहीं कर रहे। यहाँ तक क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके, अब रादर देन 3 एंड 4 के बीच ओके 6 रैशनल नंबर लिखना, जो कि थोड़ा सा हमें सोचना पड़ता है कि कौन कौन से नंबर हम लिख सकते हैं। हम इजीली 21/7 एंड 28/7 के बीच में 6 रैशनल नंबर लिख सकते हैं। 22/7 डेनोमिनेटर हमारा ऑलरेडी सेम है। अब बस हमें 21 के बाद 22 आता है, देन 23, ओके, देन 24, देन 25, then 26, then 27. Can you see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how we'll always write the rational number in between given rational number quickly. It will just take 1 minute or 2 minutes, but not more than that. Okay, let's do few more questions. If we are supposed to write 5 rational number between 1 and 2, ओके, तो हम सबसे पहले 1 को ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, देन 2 को, देन हम सोचेंगे इस 1 को एक इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन हम चेंज करेंगे, एंड 2 को भी एक न्यू फ्रैक्शन के न्यू फ्रैक्शन 2 के बदले में हम लिखेंगे, दैट इज जस्ट इक्विवेलेंट टू 2। ओके, बट सिंस हमें 5 रैशनल, बेयर मिनिमम एटलीस्ट 5 रैशनल हमें लिखना है, तो हम 5 + 1 दैट मीन 6 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं। अब मैं ये भी बता दूं कि 6 ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि हम 6 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। अगर हमने 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया तो न्यूमरेटर एंड डेनोमिनेटर में, और वहां भी न्यूमरेटर एंड डेनोमिनेटर में, तो भी कुछ भी ओके, वी विल बी एबल टू प्रोसीड एंड राइट 5 रैशनल नंबर। ओके, अगर हमने 8 से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया तो भी हम आसानी से लिख सकते हैं। तो देखो, मिनिमम हमें 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, बट अगर हमने इस 1 को 1/1 को 1 into 8 by 1 into 8 ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करके 8/8 बोला, ओके, एंड 2 को 2 into 8 by 1 into 8 16/8 बोला, ओके, तो भी हम इजीली लिख पाएंगे 5 रैशनल नंबर्स। ओके, so 8, after 8 9 will be there, then 10 will be there, then 11 will be there, then 12 will be there, okay, then 13, 14, 15। हमें सिर्फ 5 रैशनल लिखने थे। देखो हमने कितने रैशनल नंबर लिख लिए, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 रैशनल लिख लिए। इनमें से किसी भी 2 को मैं इरेज कर दूं, and we are having 5. Is it okay? Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, फिर से मैं बोल रही हूँ, आंसर हमारा हमारा आंसर हमारे फ्रेंड के आंसर के साथ मैच करे या ना करे, it's completely fine. Okay, because infinite rational number, from there we are just showing 5, so it can be different. I am giving different set of rational number, okay, you are giving different set of rational number, your friend is giving different set of rational number, and it is completely okay. Now if we are having question like this, let's write first, let's do this one. In between 3/5 and 4/5, we need to write 5 rational number. Okay, 5 rational number. So we will be making it equivalent fraction. Okay, equivalent to 3 by 5 we will make a new fraction, and equivalent to 4 by 5 we will make a new fraction. क्योंकि अभी अगर हमने न्यूमरेटर को देखा, देखो कभी कभी बहुत इजी होता है लिखना, अगर अभी हमने न्यूमरेटर को एनालाइज किया 3 and 4, तो इनके बीच का नंबर हम लिख नहीं पा रहे हैं, राइट
Yes,
राइट।
ma'am.
तो पहले हमेशा स्टार्ट यहीं से करना, पहले न्यूमरेटर को देख लेना। अगर मैंने इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा कस्टमाइज करके और यहाँ पे 9/5 लिख दिया, जस्ट अ मोमेंट, यहाँ 9/5 लिख दिया, और मैं बोल रही हूँ जस्ट 2 रैशनल नंबर हमें चाहिए, तो अब हमें कुछ भी नहीं करने की जरूरत है। सी ओके, 3/5 के बाद हम 4/5 लिख सकते हैं, देन 5/5 भी ले सकते हैं, ओके, देन 6/5 भी ले सकते हैं। तो बस 2 रैशनल चाहिए, तो कोई भी 2 हम लिख सकते हैं डायरेक्टली, राइट
Yes,
right
ma'am. Ma'am, can you repeat?
I'm saying if your question is write 2 rational number between 3/5 and 9/5, 2 rational number. So are you able to understand that the denominator is same and numerator is 3 here, 9 here? You will be able to write 4/5. You will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
able to write 5/5, 6/5 as well. तो बिना इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन क्रिएट किए, बिना कोई एफर्ट लगाए, क्वेश्चन पढ़ते ही हम आंसर लिख पा रहे हैं, हाँ या ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं। ओके, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना। बेसिकली एग्जाम में एक तो वन वन थिंग विच इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट कि हमें सारे क्वेश्चंस आने चाहिए सॉल्व करना, और सेकेंड थिंग इज हमें टाइम मैनेजमेंट भी आना चाहिए। ओके, तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन अगर एग्जाम में हमने दिया दैट मीन्स, और जो बाकी क्वेश्चंस है वो बहुत लेंदी लेंदी क्वेश्चंस मैंने सेट किए हैं पेपर में, जहां पे टाइम रिक्वायर्ड है, और यहाँ टाइम नहीं देना है। ओके,
Okay,
नेक्स्ट
ma'am.
I was talking about if the question is find 5 rational numbers between 3/5 and 4/5। ओके, 5 रैशनल इस बार हमें लिखने हैं, और न्यूमरेटर को क्लियरली देख के हमें लिख रहा है, क्लियरली हमें देख के लग रहा है कि अभी हम नहीं लिख पाएंगे। ओके, इजीली नाउ वी आर नॉट एबल टू राइट इट, तो हमें फिर से वही मेथड यूज करना है। एटलीस्ट 5 रैशनल चाहिए, मतलब 5 + 1 दैट इज 6 हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा। 3/5 का इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन हम क्रिएट करेंगे। वी विल बी डूइंग द मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ 6 इन द न्यूमरेटर and 6 in the denominator. We are going to get 18/30. 3/5 and 18/30 is the same thing, equivalent fraction. Similarly, we will be writing 4/5, which can be written as, we will be doing the multiplication of this 6. So 4 into 6 and 5 into 6. We are going to get 6 4 times 24/30. Now, instead of 3/5 and 4/5, we are going to focus on 18/30 and 24/30. So now we can write 19/30, okay, 20/30, 21/30, 22/30, 23/30, okay, 23/30. So far, any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now I am going to show you when the denominators are not same, then what to do. Just a minute. Find 2 rational numbers between 8/9 and 10/12. Okay, here clearly we can see these two denominators are not same. Previously whatever questions we have discussed, in each and every one already denominator was same. ओके हमने कौन कौन से क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए थे, 1 और 2 के बीच का रैशनल नंबर हमने फाइंड किया, फिर 3 और 4 के बीच का रैशनल नंबर हमने फाइंड किया, फिर 3/5 एंड 4/5 के बीच का रैशनल नंबर हमने फाइंड किया। तो ऑलरेडी जो भी हम जिन दोनों रैशनल नंबर्स के बीच का रैशनल नंबर हम फाइंड करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, जो हमें नंबर्स गिवन था वहां पे ऑलरेडी डेनोमिनेटर सेम था। यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
इस बार हमारा डेनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं है, तो सबसे पहले हमें डेनोमिनेटर सेम, तभी तो हम न्यूमरेटर पे फोकस कर सकते हैं। सोच के देखो, अगर मैंने बोला 24 और 50 के बीच का नंबर लिखो, तो ये कितना सिंपल है। 24 एंड 50 के बीच के कुछ नंबर लिख के मुझे बताओ, तो हम लिख सकते हैं 28, ओके, 39, 40। बहुत इजी है लिखना, राइट? राइट,
Yes, ma'am.
ओके। तो अगर हम ऐसे सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर पे फोकस करेंगे तो हमें कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा, बट उसके लिए पहले हमें डेनोमिनेटर को सेम क्रिएट करके रखना होगा, राइट? राइट,
Yes, ma'am.
okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so we will be making this 9 and 12 same by taking out the LCM of 9 and 12 is 3 times 9, 3 4 times 12. Okay, now directly we can take 4 as well, or maybe 3. So we are getting 3 into 3 into 4, 36, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 36 is the LCM. Now we will try the way you have learned arranging in ascending and descending order. First we have to make the denominator same. Okay, then we can compare the numerator and we can arrange. Same thing we are following over here. First we have made the denominator same, then we will make this 8 by 9. This denominator we are going to make 36 equal to our LCM. So 9, what should be multiplied with 9 to make 36?
4.
9 4 times 36। डेनोमिनेटर में 4 का मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है, तो न्यूमरेटर में भी हमें 4 का मल्टीप्लाई करना ही पड़ेगा, हम बाउंड है। फ्रैक्शन कहता है वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग, ओके, एनी नंबर्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन और डिवीजन इन द डेनोमिनेटर, यू आर बाउंड टू डू द सेम इन द न्यूमरेटर। तो हमें न्यूमरेटर में भी 4 का मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, एंड हमें क्या मिला, 32/36। ओके, 10/12 विल बी, we are trying to make it 36. So 12 3 times 36, 10 3 times 30. So far any confusion? Anyone? Chakrika, Tanisha and Gauri?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It's clear.
So we have created this 8/9 को हमने 32/36 लिख दिया, and 10/12 को हमने 30/36 लिख दिया। ओके, अब इनके बीच का हमें नंबर्स लिखना है। ओके, तो ऑलरेडी वी आर हैविंग 32/36. We can write it in proper manner. Okay, we can write 30/36 पहले हम लिख सकते हैं, and then 32/36. मैंने बस इस नंबर को पहले लिया और इस नंबर को बाद में। ओके, जरूरी नहीं है जब जब हमें क्वेश्चंस दिया जाता है तो अरेंज मैनर में दिया हुआ है। हो सकता है छोटा नंबर पहले लिखा है, बड़ा नंबर बाद में लिखा है, हो सकता है। ओके, विच वी आर गेटिंग इन दिस क्वेश्चन। सो हमने 30/36 लिख लिया, फिर 32/36। अब हम इनके बीच का दो रैशनल नंबर ढूंढ रहे हैं, तो हमें एक रैशनल नंबर तो दिख रहा है, राइट?
Yes,
राइट, बट हमें 2 रैशनल
yes,
लिखने, या फिर हमें 5 रैशनल लिखने, ओके, या फिर हमें 6 रैशनल लिखने हैं, या फिर हमें 10 रैशनल लिखने हैं। तो फिर से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे जैसे हमने अब तक सारे क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व किया था। ओके, जो हमने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व किया वहां हम जैसे सोच रहे होते थे, अब वहां से स्टार्ट हमें करना पड़ेगा। तो यहाँ एक स्टेप एक्स्ट्रा हमने परफॉर्म किया, डेनोमिनेटर को सेम क्रिएट किया हमने। ओके, अब हमें यहाँ पे सपोज 5 रैशनल नंबर्स लिखने हैं इनके बीच, 5 रैशनल नंबर। in between 30/36 and 32/36. तो हम ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में कैसे सोच रहे होते थे, 5 मीन्स एटलीस्ट 5 + 1, दैट मीन्स 6 हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा न्यूमरेटर एंड डेनोमिनेटर में. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
ओके, अब हमें यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो ये तो बहुत लेंदी हो गया. हाँ, हमें इतना लेंदी प्रोसेस ही फॉलो करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. Okay, we are going to multiply 6 in the numerator and 6 in the denominator. Equivalent fraction for 30/6 will be 180/216. और यहाँ भी हमें 6 and 6 का मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. हमें 6 2 times 12 2, 3 2 times 6 2 times 12 2 कैरी 192. अब हम इजीली 180/216 और 192/216 के बीच का 5 रैशनल नंबर इजीली हम लिख पाएंगे, क्योंकि डेनोमिनेटर भी सेम है और 180 से 192 तक जाने में. ओके, हम 181, 182, 183, 184, ओके, 185 ऐसे नंबर्स लिख सकते हैं. आर यू गेटिंग इट?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I am just summarizing what we did, then I'll be giving you questions. So what we did, सबसे पहले वाले टाइप के क्वेश्चन ऐसे होते हैं जहां पे डेनोमिनेटर ऑलरेडी सेम होते हैं, जैसे 1 and 2. ओके, यहाँ दोनों की डेनोमिनेटर 1, ऑलरेडी वी वर हैविंग 1 एज अ डेनोमिनेटर. हमें 5 रैशनल नंबर लिखना था. अब बस हमने हमारे मेथड पे फोकस किया. 5 मीन्स एटलीस्ट 5 + 1, दैट मीन्स 6 विल वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डेनोमिनेटर ऑफ बोथ द नंबर्स. This way we are just making a equivalent fraction and then easily we will be able to write 5 rational number. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन भी हमारा सेम था, 3 and 4 के बीच का रैशनल नंबर हमने निकाला. थर्ड क्वेश्चन भी हमारा सेम था, जहां पे हमने 3/5 and 4/5 के बीच का रैशनल नंबर. यहाँ भी बस हमने न्यूमरेटर में 6 मल्टीप्लाई किया एंड डेनोमिनेटर में 6. देयर आल्सो वी डिड द सेम एंड इजीली वी वर एबल टू राइट व्हेन द डेनोमिनेटर वाज सेम. But when the denominator is not same in this question, then first we realize let's make the denominator same. Just like ascending, descending, or comparison of two number, that method we have followed over here. We found the LCM. Okay, we made each and every denominator equals to the LCM. Okay, and in that process, our numerator also got changed. And we ended up getting 8/9. At the place of that, we got 32/36, and this one 10/12 is 30/36. Now in between these two, we were trying to write 2 rational or 5 rational, but we were not able to write. So now we have started all these steps which we were following in the previous question. Clear so far?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now I am giving you few numbers. 1/2 and 2/3. 5 rational number between 1/2 and 2/3. Please do it. Please do it. Done? Anyone say done?
Yes, ma'am.
What you got?
Ma'am, I got 32/60, 33/60, 34/60, 35/60, and 36/60.
Okay. Let's wait for other students' response. Meanwhile, you can do this one.
Mom, I have a doubt.
Yeah, please.
Mom, if we multiply with like 10 by 10 for suppose, so we can take any number, right? So if we do it 10 by 10, like can we just count all the numbers that we got from like the starting to the ending?
If we will multiply any number by 10, right?
Yes, mom.
Then
Like, can we count from that particular number till where it ends? Like all the 10 numbers.
okay, for the second one, the question which I have given, that one you are asking.
Yes, mom. And like generally as well.
Actually, I'm not getting your doubt. Is it possible to give an example, or maybe if you want to say in Hindi, you can say.
I'm not that familiar with Hindi, so
Okay, you are not that comfortable with Hindi. Uh, you are
no,
saying
I'm
that
not
if,
familiar.
okay, so if you are saying that if we
Like,
will multiply 10 by 10, suppose 0 we are having, okay, and minus 1 we are having. Already we can say denominator is same, right?
yes, mom.
Okay, we will multiply, okay, 10 rational numbers we need. So at least 10 plus 1, that is 11 we will multiply, right?
Okay, mom.
Making sense?
Yes, mom, I got it.
Okay.
Yes,
You just have to proceed in that direction because 0 by anything, we can write it. Okay, we can
yes,
write 0 by anything.
okay, mom.
Ma'am, the first question is done.
Yes, what you got?
Uh, 18 by 36, 19 by 36, 20 by 36, 21 by 36, 22 by 36, 23 by 36, 24 by 36.
Okay, please try the next one. I'll be taking both of it together.
Ma'am, first one is done.
Can you please tell me the answer?
Ma'am, 19 by 36, 20 by 36, 21 by 36, 22 by 36, 23
Okay.
by 36.
Okay, fine. Please try the next one. 10 rational number in between 0 and minus 1.
Mm.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, please.
Then, why is it going to be minus 1 upon 11?
Don't see these steps. Okay, 0 and minus 1. In between these two, we need to find 10 rational. The process says that first check whether the denominator is same or not. So can we see both the denominator? We can say that, yeah, denominator is 1, 0 by 1. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and minus
Ma'am,
1 can be written as minus 1 by 1. So for now, denominator is same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 10 rational means at least 10 plus 1. That means 11 we must multiply, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will become 0 into 11 is still 0. By 11 into 1 is 11. Minus 1 into 11 is minus 11 by 11, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We are done. Now we are supposed to write numbers between 0 and minus 11. Number line, we are having the understanding 0 and minus 11. So many numbers are there, okay? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, right?
Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Any confusion over here to anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let me check the first answer, 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 in between these two. You must have made the denominator same, so it will be 6. So 6, 3 by 6, okay? And here the denominator will be 6, 4 by 6. So 3 by 6 and 4 by 6, we are not able to write the numbers. So now we will be multiplying. At least 5 rational number we need, that means 36, 18, 36, 24. Yeah. Okay. You all, like all of yours, answers are correct. Yes, Tanisha, Chakrika, and Gauri. Okay. Whatever answers you said to me, these all are correct for the first one. And the second one can be done like this. Any confusion for the second one? Chakrika, still you are having doubt over here?
Oh no, ma'am, I was done.
Done. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, one more thing, let me tell you. Some example will be in such a way that once you made the denominator same, let me check whether I can give you those type of example or not. Yes, I got it. Okay, so two rational numbers are minus 2 by 5 and another one is 5 by 10. Okay, and we are supposed to write three rational numbers in between these two. So first we will make the denominator same, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
LCM of 5 and 10 is, yes, please tell
2.
me.
Sorry, not 2. Sorry. 10.
10. 5 and 10 का LCM 10 निकल के आ रहा है, yes or no? Like LCM of 5 and 10 is 10, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so already the other denominator is 10. We don't need to do anything over here. This one we will try making denominator as a 10. So 5 into 2 is 10. Numerator we need to multiply 2. So minus 2 into 2, that will be minus 4 by 10. Getting it?
Yes,
Now in between minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10, can you see already we are able to write rational numbers, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we just made the denominator same and already we are able to write rational number, okay? Like in on number line, if you are having confusion, you can mark 5 is here and minus 4 is here. So in between this minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0 by 10, 1 by 10. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
2 by 10. So the next process which we were doing in all the question when we made the denominator same and then we were doing the again equivalent fraction we are making. That step we don't have to do over here, right?
Yes.
Okay, so always we will work smartly when this type of question will be given. All these varieties I have shown you, that anything can happen. So whenever two rational number is given, just don't think about anything and just think that can we write directly without doing any, without performing any step, can we write it directly? Few rational number, if it is not at all possible, just like 1 and 2, 3 and 4, like that. If it is not possible, okay, then what are the steps you need to follow? First, check denominator is same or not. If denominator is already same, you know what steps you are supposed to follow. If the denominator is not same, then you know that what type of cases can arise. So till here everything is clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the
Yes.
next concept, that is irrational number. Okay, you have learned in the previous class that how to locate rational number on the number line, right? If suppose we were having 6 by 5, you were converting it in mixed fraction, right? Like this, and then you were locating it on the number line in the previous class, right?
Yes.
That was about rational number. Here we will see how to locate irrational number on the number line, and now only this number line is actually a real number line. Okay, here all the real numbers are sitting. Previously when you started learning and when you started using this number line, you were just representing integers over here. Okay, then you realize, okay, rational number also lies on this line, we can represent rational number over here, and now I'm telling you we can also locate irrational number over here. So basically in future, now also I'm telling you this is real line, this is real line which we call always as a number line, number line, number line, but actually it is real line. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all real numbers are just lying on this line only, but we don't need to represent. Okay, whatever we are supposed to show, we will try showing only that particular number. Otherwise always we will be just taking integers on this line. Okay, because that is easier to locate. Representing integers on the number line is really simple. That's why we always represent mainly integers only. Okay, and if it is asked in the question that show this rational number or show this irrational number, then only we will think about locating it or representing it. Okay,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
so let's continue. Here we have already had the discussion that root 2 is irrational, root 3 is irrational, root 5 is irrational. Okay, so let's see how to locate root 2. Locate root 2 or represent root 2 on number line. Okay, so actually we don't know what is the value of root 2. If anybody will ask that, tell me what exactly is the value of root 2, we don't know what exactly is the value of root 2, because 1.41, okay, and then decimal just it, after the decimal it will keep on going and keep on going and keep on going and keep on going and will never ever stop, and without repeating any pattern. Okay, so basically irrational is non-terminating and non-repeating, right?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So actually we don't know what is root 2. Even calculator or supercomputer is not, even that is also not able to tell us what exactly is the value of root 2. So how to locate on number line when we don't even know what is the value of root 2? So we will use one logic over here. Okay, Pythagoras theorem, do you know?
yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
we are going to use Pythagoras theorem over here. Pythagoras theorem says that if we are having a right angle triangle, if we are having a right angle triangle, let's say ABC, okay, then this height is square plus base is square, that will be equals to hypotenuse square, right? Right? If angle B is 90 degree, then this is how we can write it. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so one of the mathematician whose name was Pythagoras has given us a rule that if you are having a right angle triangle, you can write perpendicular square plus base square is equals to hypotenuse square, or you can say hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, so if we understand this rule, then we can say if we are taking this AB as a 1 centimeter and BC as a 1 centimeter, then what will be AC? So rule says that if you want to calculate AC, you just have to do square of AB and square of BC. That will be just 1 plus 1 and that will be 2, right?
yes,
Okay. And AC square is 2. We want to find AC. So AC will be root 2. Yes or no? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, I didn't understand.
Okay. If you are having AC square is 2, so can we say AC will be this square? When we will remove this square, it will become a square root on the other side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, square root of 2. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, so we realize that root 2, what is the value? We don't know. Okay, any scale, any calculator is not helping us. But Pythagoras theorem is helping us. Pythagoras theorem says if you will make a triangle where you will keep the height as a 1 unit and the base as a 1 unit, automatically your hypotenuse will come out as a root 2 unit automatically. And even if you don't know what is root 2 in your scale, now you can measure this hypotenuse and you can show to everybody, see this much is root 2, see this much is root 2. Even we, if we don't know the value of root 2, we can say this much is root 2 accurately, exactly. Yes or no?
Yes,
yes, ma'am.
Okay, getting it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I am keeping this much over here. I'll be continuing from here because I'll start now, I won't be able to finish it. So you will end up getting more confused. I'm keeping this much over here. I'll be starting from here. Okay, how we'll be using this uh, logic over there. Okay, please bring your compass, pencil, and scale in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so yeah, keeping it this much. Thank you, everyone. Take care of yourself.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye. Yes, Chakrika, still you want to ask anything?
On the previous first question that you taught before, I still have some doubt in it. Like when dealing with like single numbers.
Hmm.
So like how do we convert it into fraction and then do it? Like, I mean, it's already in fraction. So how do we like
You are
multiply
talking
it?
about that question where 1 by 7 was given.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if 1 by 7 is given, just a moment, let me open the paper. Just a moment. Yeah, if 1 by 7 is given and we are supposed to find 4 by 7, or maybe 5 by 7, or maybe 6 by 7, let me show you on the screen. 1 by 7 is 0.142857 bar, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 2 by 7 can be written as 2 into 1 by 7, right, Chakrika?
Yes, ma'am.
That means 2 into our 1 by 7 value was this one. We can copy paste over here, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do the multiplication from the last. 7 2 times 14, 4 carry 1. 5 2 times 10, 111. 1 carry 1. 8 2 times 16, 117. 7 carry 1. 2 2 times 4, 1 5. 4 2 times 8, 2 1 times 2. We are getting 0.28 this bar, right? Are you getting it?
Mom, so we multiply them backwards?
Yeah. Okay, whenever we are
Okay.
doing the multiplication of any decimal number, we always start doing
Yes,
the
mom.
multiplication from the last, right?
Yes, mom. I've been doing it in the front.
No, no. Okay,
Yes,
basic
mom. Yes,
multiplication
mom.
always we do from the last, right?
Yes, mom. Yes, mom.